Professor Kenneth Carless Smith, a tireless contributor to ISSCC for over 50 years, recently passed away. Professor Smith was born and raised in Toronto, Canada. He received his undergraduate degree in engineering physics in 1954, master's in electrical engineering in 1956, and PhD in physics in 1960, all from the University of Toronto. Via a research position at Toronto, collaborating with the University of Illinois, he became chief engineer of ILLIAC-2, an early, influential, transistor-based pipeline supercomputer completed in 1962. In 1965, Smith returned to the University of Toronto, where he helped found both the electronics and computer groups within electrical engineering. He also helped found the computer engineering department at Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. Professor Smith published over 150 papers across a range of disciplines, including current conveyors, multiple valued logic, multi-touch sensors, computer vision, and many other topics, all centered on his love of electronics. KC, or Ken as his friends and colleagues knew him, came to be known for wearing a pink hat and other pink clothing and accessories. His wearing of pink started when he wore a pink sweater to cheer up his mother when visiting her in the hospital. His mother loved it, and his distinctive practice was born as he accumulated many pink items. Professor Smith was an advocate of giving back to the circuits community. He exemplified this volunteer spirit by his contribution to many societies and conferences, primarily ISSCC. He contributed to ISSCC for over 50 years, starting in 1974 as a member of the program committee. Most recently, he was Press Relations Chair, Awards and Recognition Chair, and Technical Editor at Large. One of Smith's most fruitful partnerships was with his former graduate student Adil Sedra. In 1982, they published the popular undergraduate textbook Microelectronic Circuits. Today, after over 30 years and 8 editions, the textbook maintains a 75% market share, has been translated to 10 languages, and has sold well over 1 million copies. Casey's contributions included presenting op-amps before transistors, and in the large number of practice problems he created at the end of every chapter, a rare feature in electronics textbooks. Casey was always available to help and mentor students, professors, and anyone interested in electronics. He often shared his favorite aphorisms, including, "Failing early is best as one is longer to recover. If you can't fix it, feature it. And life is a laboratory." In the laboratory of life, Casey loved to experiment with unique solutions to everyday problems. He was required to avoid direct sunlight and even bright lights, so he always wore a hat, pink of course, and often added further protection in unusual ways. He was a bon vivant, yet didn't take himself too seriously, to use an ironing board as a convenient desk in hotels. In both his hard work and fun, KC had another prolific partnership with his indomitable wife, Laura Fugino, who many of us know as the ISSCC Publications Chair, a role which she has held for over 30 years. In between sessions of hard work, Casey and Laura could be found enjoying themselves at dinners, parties, and on cruises, always taking the opportunity to dance when it presented itself. Professor Kenneth C. Smith passed away in October of 2023. We share our condolences with the Smith family, Ken's friends and colleagues, the entire circuits community, and with his wife Laura. He will be missed, but his distinctive approach to life will continue on with us.